Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today I'm going to do a mod on my Mustang that I should have done a long time ago. Alright guys, if you're tired of doing all that every time you open the hood and then you're stuck with this ugly prop, I'm going to show you something that's going to take care of that. Alright guys, this is a hood strut kit. It comes with a couple of struts and a couple of brackets. This one gets mounted to the hood itself, and then this one gets mounted to the body. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so this is a really easy mod to do. First thing you got to do is remove this 8mm bolt. Not this one. This one holds a hinge. Okay, so we're going to remove this bolt. Okay, then you're going to take this little bracket, okay, and it's marked driver's or left side. Okay, so you're just going to put it on there just like that, and then you're going to put your bolt. Next step is removing this 10mm, and then you want to loosen this one up about 1/4 inch. Alright, next you're going to take this bracket, and this bracket is marked. It says driver's side. Okay, so you're going to take this piece, the open side, and just put it between the bolt in the back and then hold in the front here. Okay, now take your 10mm and put it in, and tying everything up. Alright, next step is popping in the strut. I try to pop it in and I'm finding a hard time just pushing it in, so what I'm going to do is take off this clip like that and now put it in. And after I pop it in, what I'm going to do is just slide the pin in there again. That's it. So that's in place. Now we got to do the same thing on top. Off. Now before you close it, make sure it lines up to the sides. Okay, so make sure it lines up okay before you close it. Now you can take an 8mm and take this off. Alright guys, this is what it looks like installed. This is the other side. Such an easy mod to do, and now you don't have this ugly rod in the way. You could get rid of this thing, you don't need it. And the hood, when you open it, it opens like by itself. So cool. So if you're a Mustang guy, you have to do this. It's a great mod. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.